Another one. We the best music. DJ Kavine.
I don't know if you could take.
Hey guys, what's up? So it's Kavine here with a new video. My boyfriend's birthday is June 19th. Today is June 17th. He lives in Jamaica. I live in Florida. I'm gonna surprise him for his birthday. He doesn't know not one thing that I'm coming down there for his birthday. So far I think it's working. I just did my lashes, did my nails, just a pretty basic color. Tomorrow is the day that I'm going down there to surprise him, and I have to go get my hair washed and braided for the wig to be put on. And yeah, I'm so excited. All right, follow me on this journey. But you want to go pier one on the 19th?
My from birthday.
Well, why wouldn't you want to ring in your birthday there?
No, but okay. Don't want to do that.
On the 19th.
I'm not sure.
No, you're not sure.
And I changed my mind on somewhere else.
I just feel like you're mad at me because you wanted me to be there.
Just disappointing, babe. I'm not mad. It's disappointing.
Mm.
I thought you would be here.
I just gotta really work so that I can come next month.
Yeah, I thought it was just, he's not going to come for a long time. I didn't expect you to come for just a day or two.
Good morning, guys! Today is the day. Today is June 18th, and I'm gonna surprise my boyfriend in Jamaica. His birthday is tomorrow. I don't think he has any idea that I'm coming to Jamaica to surprise him. So how I arranged it, his sister is gonna tell him that she's gonna take him out, and I told him that I arranged for his sister to take him out. You know, so today he should be getting his hair cut, you know, thinking that he's going out with his sister. And yeah, so in the middle of them eating or something, I should just pop up on him. So let's see how that goes. Let's see how well he handles that. After which we're gonna go to the hotel, Breathless Montego Bay. It's one of our favorite hotels to stay whenever I go to Jamaica. Yeah, I was there about a month ago, but you know, I had to come down for his birthday, and as y'all can see from the previous clip, he was hella, you know, mad about me not coming, and I told him I was going to work today, so hopefully he doesn't keep calling and calling and calling. But yeah, this is me. I'm ready. It's now 8 something. I'm probably late. Going basic. I'm going down here. I'm going pretty basic, and yeah, I might change later into this army romper that I have. This blouse is from Shein as well. Yeah. So here I am going down. Hope for the best, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. And I'm gonna leave out now to go to the airport, and then once I get to the airport, I'll hit you guys up. Peace.
I refuse to live like a clown. I declare this now.
I am so mad right now. I left my bathing suit at home. So I'm really like salty in my face, but I'm gonna make it work. I left my bathing suit.
Your flight, please be seated.
gonna be a part of my video. So she picked me up from the airport. I know she's being extra talking about. I want to spend. I wish they didn't have the cake earlier.
I'm mad at you.
Why? For what?
Because I'm here trying my best to get the cake.
First stop on the trip, KFC. You know about KFC in Jamaica. The best thing in life. So people are looking at me pretty weird right now. But I'm at KFC just waiting on my sister. She's now preparing for my little niece's party. We're gonna have her daycare. So yeah, we're just buying some KFC to go with it. I'm not eating KFC because I'm on the keto diet. Because I'm starving. Okay, I'm starving. Gotta do what I gotta do, right? Try to lose some weight. Yeah. Laters. My sister just eating her KFC. Sis, what are you eating? That's a zinger, guys. Everyone loves zinger at KFC.
That's a zinger box.
Come to a zinger.
Chicken.
He said chicken that I can't have.
Fries. Coleslaw.
This is a zinger.
They don't have any lettuce. So
Jesus.
it's just chicken and tomato.
Why don't you have lettuce though? Lettuce is the. They don't have any?
No. None is in the store right now.
How do they not have lettuce? For some bowl. But anyway, y'all.
A 16-ounce cup of soda.
Wrong. Not healthy, guys. Don't follow that. So, guys, I think I'm kind of irritated because I think Courtney knows that. I think Courtney knows that I'm here because he keeps texting me in ways that we're just too happy for him. So I hope that he doesn't know, but I did check in the hotel and they did say that they offered a complimentary birthday thing. So basically they'll set up the room for him. Free bottle of champagne. Is it champagne or wine? Champagne, a cake, I think a slice of cake, rum, rose petals, and a birthday banner. So I'm looking forward to his face when he's surprised with that. Yeah, so just stay tuned. Right now I'm here with my sister and we have to go set up the party for my niece and my nephew. So we just got a bucket of KFC chicken. So once we're there, we'll let you know. Peace. Nene's birthday. And Jeremiah. Alright, ready? Show. Everybody come. Everybody. Come here. Nene. That's my nephew there. It's his birthday. Say hey. Happy birthday. You say happy birthday to you? Happy birthday. Why are you shouting me? Everybody gather here. We're gonna sing the happy birthday. No, wait. We're gonna sing the happy. You know the happy birthday song?
Yes, I know it.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeremiah and Nate. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? Yes. Are you three?
Are you four?
Yes.
Are you five?
Again, we just